Hey everyone! Welcome to Tech Bangla, your go-to channel for the latest in technology and tutorials. Today, we're diving into the future with the top 10 AI tools in 2024 that are revolutionizing industries and making our lives smarter. From AI-powered design assistants to predictive analytics platforms, we'll be exploring the tools that are changing the game. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or just curious about the future, this video has something for you. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into the world of AI. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have Name of Tool 10, a powerful AI solution designed for key feature function. Now, this isn't just another app trying to ride the AI hype wave. Name of Tool 10 really shines when it comes to specific use case example. Imagine, describe a scenario where the tool solves a problem or makes life easier. That's the kind of power and efficiency we're talking about here. The interface is surprisingly user-friendly. You don't need to be a programmer or tech wizard to figure it out. It's intuitive, it's clean, and it just makes sense. Mention any unique UI, UX elements or design choices. This tool is perfect for target audience who are looking to desired outcome. Whether you're a specific example of target audience or another example of target audience, Name of Tool 10 can seriously up your game. And the best part? Highlight affordability, accessibility, free trial, etc. For the value it delivers, it's a no-brainer to at least give it a shot. So, if you're looking for a way to reiterate the tool's main benefit, head over to link website and check out Name of Tool 10. Coming in at number 9 is Name of Tool 9, and this one is all about key feature function. What makes this one stand out? Name of Tool 9 brings specific features or benefits to the table. One unique feature is Unique Feature 1. It makes a huge difference in explain the benefit of the feature. Another impressive feature is Unique Feature 2. It's particularly useful for explain who would benefit from this feature and why. Overall, Name of Tool 9 is a solid choice for target audience. At number 8, we have Name of Tool 8, a powerful AI solution designed to key feature function. This tool is perfect for target audience and offers highlighted capability. One of the standout features of Name of Tool 8 is its mention a specific feature and describe its benefits. This allows users to explain how the feature enhances the user experience or solves a particular problem. Furthermore, Name of Tool 8 integrates seamlessly with mention any integrations with other tools or platforms. This means you can easily describe the benefits of these integrations and how they streamline workflows. Whether you're a specific example of target audience or another example of target audience, Name of Tool 8 can help you reiterate the tool's main benefit. Coming in at number 7 is Name of Tool 7, and this one is all about key feature function. Now this is where things start to get really interesting. Name of Tool 7 takes mention a common problem or task and completely flips the script. Instead of describe the traditional way of doing things, this tool lets you explain how the tool simplifies or revolutionizes the process. It's like going from analogy to illustrate the improvement. One of the key things that sets Name of Tool 7 apart is its focus on mention a specific area or value proposition the tool emphasizes. This is crucial because explain why this focus is important and beneficial to users. And speaking of ease of use, Name of Tool 7 absolutely nails it. The learning curve is surprisingly gentle. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can jump right in and start mention a simple task users can accomplish quickly. But don't let that fool you. Under the hood, this tool is packing some serious AI muscle. It can handle mention some of the tool's advanced capabilities or complex tasks it can perform. So, if you're looking for an AI tool that's both powerful and accessible, Name of Tool 7 is definitely worth checking out. At number 6, we have Name of Tool 6, a powerful AI solution designed to key feature function. This tool is perfect for target audience and offers highlighted capability. One of the things that makes Name of Tool 6 so impressive is its mention a specific technical aspect or algorithm that powers the tool. This allows it to explain how this technical aspect contributes to the tool's accuracy, speed, or efficiency. Moreover, Name of Tool 6 offers a high level of mention any customization options, flexibility, or control the tool provides. Users can describe how users can tailor the tool to their specific needs or preferences. If you're looking to reiterate the tool's main benefit, name of tool 6 is definitely a tool worth considering. Sliding into the number 5 spot is name of tool 5, and this one is a game changer for anyone who described the target audience and their main pain point. We've all been there, right? Describe a relatable scenario where the target audience experiences the pain point. But with name of tool 5, those days are over. This tool leverages the power of AI to explain how the tool solves the pain point. It's like having an analogy to describe the tool's helpfulness. One of the things I love about name of tool 5 is its mention a specific feature that enhances user experience or convenience. This might seem like a small detail, but it makes a world of difference when you're explain how this feature improves workflow or saves time. Another thing that impressed me is the mention a specific technology or algorithm used in the tool. This allows name of tool 5 to explain the benefits or capabilities this technology provides. So if you're ready to reiterate the tool's main benefit, make sure to check out name of tool 5. It might just change your life. At number 4, we have name of tool 4, a powerful AI solution designed to key feature function. This tool is perfect for target audience and offers highlighted capability. One of the standout features of name of tool 4 is its mention a specific feature and describe its benefits. This allows users to explain how the feature enhances the user experience or solves a particular problem. Furthermore, name of tool 4 integrates seamlessly with mention any integrations with other tools or platforms. This means you can easily describe the benefits of these integrations and how they streamline workflows. Whether you're a specific example of target audience or another example of target audience, name of tool 4 can help you reiterate the tool's main benefit. Coming in hot at number 3 is name of tool 3, and this one is all about key feature function. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters, folks. This is where AI starts to feel like pure magic. Name of tool 3 takes mention a complex task or problem and makes it feel as easy as analogy to illustrate the tool's simplicity. I'm talking describe the level of ease and efficiency the tool provides. One of the things that makes this tool so powerful is its ability to mention a specific capability powered by AI, for example, analyze massive datasets, generate creative content, automate complex workflows, etc. This is something that would have been unthinkable just a few years ago, but name of tool 3 makes it a reality. And the crazy part is it's only getting smarter. The more you use it, the more it learns about your preferences and tailors its output accordingly. Honestly, name of tool 3 feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. If you're serious about mention the tool's main area of impact, you need to check this one out. At number 2, we have name of tool 2, a powerful AI solution designed to key feature function. This tool is perfect for target audience and offers highlighted capability. One of the things that sets name of tool 2 apart from the competition is its mention a unique feature or capability. This allows users to explain how this feature differentiates tool 2 and provides a competitive advantage. Furthermore, name of tool 2 boasts mention any impressive performance metrics such as speed, accuracy, or efficiency. This ensures that users can explain how these metrics translate into tangible benefits for users. If you're in the market for a top-tier AI tool that delivers exceptional, reiterate the tool's main benefit, look no further than name of tool 2. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 pick for the top AI tool in 2024 is name of tool 1. This is the one that blew my mind, folks. Name of tool 1 takes mention the tool's main area of focus to a whole new level. We're talking about describe the level of innovation or disruption the tool brings. One of the key features that sets name of tool 1 apart is its mention a specific feature that is truly groundbreaking or innovative. Name of tool 1 is incredibly intuitive and easy to use, even if you're not a tech expert. This is the future of mention the tool's area of impact, and it's here now. And that's a wrap on the top 10 AI tools in 2024. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. From design to productivity, these tools showcase the incredible power of AI to transform how we work and live. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking tools and innovations in the years to come. Stay tuned to Tech Bangla How To for all the latest. Tuned to Tech Bangla How To.